Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have JaidenMadison lip products. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's talk about JaidenMadison. Where did the name come from? The owner of the company's daughters' names are Jaiden and Madison, and in 2016, she created her company, something she loved from those she loved. So I thought that was really a great way to name your company. One of our companies is named the same way after our children, and I think that's awesome. So I can completely relate to her reasoning behind naming the company, and her daughters have beautiful names. JaidenMadison, that's gorgeous. If you've been watching me for a little while now, you know that I'm going through some struggles with my health, a little bit about allergies. My body is rapidly developing allergies, and we're not sure why, but it is. I've had to completely give up all grains, and I'm noticing now with laundry detergents, with the makeup I'm using, with lipsticks I'm using, I'm reacting to them even on my lips. They'll begin to burn and sort of swell on the outside. So I've been very conscientious about the brands I've been using on my lips, and it's disconcerting to me. So when I saw JaidenMadison's product, I was like, you know what? I really need to try that. So I reached out to her and I explained to her, this is why I'm interested in your product, because I've been experiencing irritation. My lips have been dry, which is so unusual for me. I am not one to have anything dry. I am normally very oily, but the last few months, my skin has been really dry. So she said, sure. And she sent me a package of their products, and I'm really excited about it. I don't have anything on my lips today. I told her the problem I was having, and she asked me what my colors, oh, these are beautiful, what colors I enjoyed. I told her, and she sent me a little package. Now, they believe in minimal packages. It says, pretty boxes are nice, but we do our best to keep waste at a minimum. So it may be, you'll just have beautiful products inside your minimal packaging. I like that. Okay, we're gonna start with this. Actually, we're gonna start with this. Our story, in 2016, I went on a self-imposed venture of creating my own cosmetics. I simply got tired of standing in the aisleways reading the ingredients list, all the while wondering what most ingredients were and why they were in a particular product. I mean, shouldn't a product have ingredients I can relate to? Lanolin has always been a go-to for me when it came to my lips, because who wants to look like they just kissed a cheese grater, right? And lately, I'm telling you, that is so new for me, but mine really have been rough, and I don't know why. I thought creating formulations was a daunting task. That was the easy part. I had to put a name to my business, a name that would represent the love I put into creating these lip products, a name I could be proud of. And then one day, it hit me. I'm the proud mother of two beautiful children, Jaiden and Madison, and together we are the owners of JaidenMadison. That is amazing. Okay, so this isn't your ordinary this isn't your ordinary gloss. Our base formula is enriched with lanolin, cocoa butter, matcha green tea butter, castor oil, candelilla wax, and vitamin E. To activate the goodness, you simply pump the wand up and down to soften, leaving you with a unique gloss we're sure you're going to fall in love with. Our buildable formula may be worn as a sheer wash of color or layered with your favorite lipstick stain for added dimension and bold color payoff. And be sure to tag them. I'm going to leave the tags in the description box for you so that you can tag them. And they are $15 a tube for you, which is really reasonable. And the overnight lip repair is $10. We'll leave everything linked for you in the description box, and I will try and remember to put it in the first comment and pin it for you so it's easier for you to find, but it is going to be everywhere. Everything is sealed here, so I'm going to take one moment to unseal everything, and then we're going to get into it. Okay, so let's read about the overnight lip repair. So this has lanolin, castor oil, cocoa butter, matcha green tea butter, sweet almond oil, hydrated vegetable oil, camellia essences, leaf powder, and candelilla wax, and vitamin E. So the benefits of this, and I'm really excited about this because I really want to use this overnight. Day or night wear, perfect. Okay, helps nourish and rehydrate lips, lightweight, lustrous, high shine finish, non-sticky, preservative-free, softening, non-GMO, non-animal testing, and free from artificial fragrances, petroleum, PEGs, mineral oils, sulfites, and gluten. Perfect. Okay. No real scent. You can see it in here. That's beautiful. Okay, so let's just get a little bit And we're gonna kind of, you know what? I wanna kind of warm it up in my, how to apply. Apply generously to the lips in the evening and leave on overnight. Warm it up a little bit. I just put a very little bit on because we're gonna be trying these lip glosses. Oh, wow. Immediately feels good. Now, overnight, I actually put it on the outside of my lip lines all the way around because the lines on my lips get very dry. And I think this is gonna help. This feels fantastic. It is not sticky. It has a slip to it, but not so much slip that, you know, it makes your lipstick or liner or whatever it is you have underneath it, if you choose to, bleed. It's very, very comfortable. Oh, I'm so happy to have this. This is 0.17 ounces or 5 milliliters, and it is $10. I will always have this on hand. And in fact, I will use my code and I will order a second one. So I have it in my travel bag. We travel often, especially in the summer. We're at the beach, we're in the sun a lot, and that's a great one to have to put on after a long day in salt water. Okay, all right, so we feel good. I'm gonna take off a little bit of the excess, but I didn't put too much on. It's very comfortable. That's nice. Okay, we're gonna start with a lighter color first. This is 0.03 ounces or 7 grams. This is in the color Ladylike. Let me look for that on here. Again, it is $15. All right, this is a shimmery rose gold natural lip treatment. It looks to be a beautiful color. It's very much a neutral. So before we put it on our lips, oh, and she said, pump it. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful color. Nice soft pink. All right, so we have that one. And then this one is Scandalous. Oh, this is beautiful too. Oh, I love that. That is gonna be perfect for fall. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna put the, well, we'll try them both. That is so pretty. Perfect. Okay, so let's start with this one. There's no real scent to it. This feels really nice. This feels very nice. It is not sticky at all. Oh, and you guys know that is a pet peeve of mine. I don't like sticky lip glosses. It's very smooth, very comfortable. Feels very soft, very natural feeling. I really like this. I love this color. Absolutely fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna take this one off and then I'm gonna try the other one. 1 second. Okay, even taking it off, my lips still feel very nice. I don't have the usual tingle when I put on lip products. And I don't mean plumping products. My skin has become that sensitive that when I'm putting on lip products, they tingle. And this is not. Oh, I love that. That's a great color. Beautiful burgundy. But it's a true burgundy. It's not plummy. It's a great color. Maybe it is. It doesn't look plummy to me. I really, really like this. Yep, there we go. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so let me read this very quickly. I wanna give you the right hashtags to use. So be sure to tag them, #JaidenMadison, #JaidenMadison Cosmetics when you get your new lipsticks, your new lip glosses. Try them on and take a picture and post it to Instagram or Facebook. I think that would be wonderful. Okay, so very quickly, I'm gonna show you here on the screen. I'm gonna split the screen so that you can see the products made from ethically sourced, cruelty-free, pharmaceutical-grade lanolin, non-toxic ingredients and all-natural bitter flavor to stop you from licking your lips. Wow, okay. So we have Honor, Intentions, Ladylike, which is what we tried on earlier. The Overnight Lip Repair, Scandalous, Sincere, Spirit, Strive, and Sultry. Absolutely beautiful. So like I said, we have Scandalous and we have Ladylike. And I think I would also like to try Sincere and Sultry. Okay, look down here. Now they're going to be offering facial serums. Let's click on the lips very quickly and see what that is. Interesting. Okay, so they're offering facial serums as well. Surface Hydration Face Oil #1, Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum, Pore Minimizer, Pore and Skin Correcting Serum, and we have Coenzyme Q10 Beauty Blend Serum for hydrating, and we have the Glow, the facial oil in the 30 milliliters. It's on sale currently. So I encourage you to explore the skincare on this site as well. That looks really, really interesting. It's absolutely something I am interested in. As I mentioned, dryness but still oily is something I am experiencing with my skin. Okay, there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave everything for you in the description box. I'm also going to leave their website. Make sure you hashtag them. Let me know. Hashtag me. Give me the little @ symbol. So tag me in your picture. Let me know you've tried it out. I'd love to see your picture and tell you how beautiful you are. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. And thank you to JaidenMadison for sending these products to me. I have a feeling you just changed my lip game. Thank you.